Hold the traffic back there, hold the traffic back. Yeah, 47.
On December 16, 2023, Trooper First Class Tyler Nelson observed a black Chrysler 200 switch lanes without signaling. He initiated a traffic stop, but the vehicle sped up and fled west.
Thank you for your line. Okay, I'll call it. Fortunes were 1037. 1047. Speed 83. Let the DPS truck in front of you just so you know.
10-4, you got one passenger.
Spikes.
Somebody got spikes?
Taking 540 south. Y'all let me get up there, I got a dog.
540 southbound, what are your speeds?
97. Get some spikes set up somewhere. Hey, Matt, I'll call it. Northwest on secondary. 75, coming around the curve, coming up on close.
The suspect was driving recklessly at speeds around 100 miles per hour, ignoring traffic rules and narrowly avoiding collisions with other cars.
2A. Yeah. Heavy traffic.
2A, heavy traffic.
He's got dope flying out. Hey, y'all get off the radio record. Sorry. We're passing the clover leaf. H4, if you let me up there, I'll pit him out.
You want to wait on spikes?
Call everybody south of us trying to pit him. We're coming up to exit 3 right now. Exit 3. Speed 99. Passing in the median.
He may lose it there.
The troopers faced a critical decision on how to safely end the pursuit. With the suspect driving recklessly at high speeds, they needed to consider the safety of everyone involved. Would they choose to use a pit maneuver, set up a roadblock, or continue the pursuit? Let's see how this unfolds.
Medium.
10-4.
Yeah, we got a little bit of heavy traffic up here. Trying to get these boxed in a little bit. Stay down 50 miles. Last length in. 17, hold the traffic back there, hold the traffic back. Yeah, 47.
Hands up, motherfucker! One step out!
The pursuit ended when the trooper successfully performed a pit maneuver, bringing the suspect to a stop. The officers then exited their vehicles, placed the suspect into handcuffs, and booked them into jail. Corporal Shane Alkire was alerted to a stolen vehicle with a juvenile suspect inside, reportedly fleeing while in a suicidal state. He quickly located the vehicle and initiated a pursuit. The suspect vehicle crashed into a guardrail but continued to flee. The pursuit then escalated with speeds exceeding 120 mph. The trooper positioned himself to attempt a pit maneuver, but was unable to execute it due to the suspect's positioning. The pursuit continued.
He ran him down the ditch with a powerful takedown on tripod finger.
Corporal Al-Khair successfully executed a pit maneuver to stop the vehicle, which then crashed into a telephone pole and came to a stop after hitting a speed limit sign. He then placed the suspect into handcuffs, bringing the pursuit to an end. On February 29, 2024, Trooper James Booth initiated a pursuit of a silver Ford Mustang after noticing an altered temporary tag.
CMS received.
Say, took the ball in.
The suspect began fleeing at high speeds, reaching 115 miles per hour. He lost control of the vehicle, crashing slightly, but despite this, he continued to flee. The trooper attempted a pit maneuver, but it was unsuccessful, allowing the suspect to continue fleeing. The second pit maneuver was successful, and the trooper was able to stop the suspect. The suspect then fled on foot but was quickly apprehended and placed into custody. On May 21, 2023, a high-speed pursuit began when Jacksonville Police Department reported a blue Mustang with no license plate traveling at speeds of 116 miles per hour. Trooper Escamilla performed a pit maneuver, disabling the vehicle. The driver was apprehended and transferred to Jacksonville Police custody. On February 1, 2025, Ashdown Police Department initiated a pursuit of a red Chevrolet Silverado for speeding.
425, not a clear spot yet, make it happen.
The trooper attempted to position himself for a pit maneuver, but it was unsuccessful as the suspect positioned the vehicle perfectly, preventing the maneuver.
If he can't take over, if our communication isn't good, if you guys have to shot the TBI, just go ahead and do it.
Yeah, I want to keep trying until he can take over. Too shallow. Car ahead. Cars.
However, the trooper successfully ended the pursuit with a perfect pit maneuver. The suspect then fled on foot, but was quickly apprehended and taken into custody. While troopers were eating, officers at a gas station noticed a pickup truck driver revving his engine and accelerating at high speeds. They initiated a traffic stop, but the suspect fled the scene.
We're going to do pursuit.
21 Pine Bluff, 1037. We'll be behind producers. It's gonna be David Boy 282995. It's gonna be a truck.
The trooper executed a perfect pit maneuver, blocking the suspect from fleeing further. The suspect was then placed into handcuffs and booked into jail.